fireworks in Hudeida, Yemen. I just got one. Next time, be faster. Anyway, feels pretty strange fireworks. There's like gas, oil generators over here. Fuel, fire, fireworks. Usually not a good combination, but yeah, that's what they do here. Celebrating or could it be something? All right, time to make dinner. Cheers.
Pick me up and put me without.
Now, there we have the bread. Big bread. And we need some fish, I think. This is for me only. That's nice. Oh yeah. That's a good plate. Yeah, we got that. And the bread. Put it over here. Now there's only fish. Where is the fish?
It's coming.
Awesome.
What you do is coming.
Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, we ran from the yesterday. Awesome. Yep. Yeah.
Where to press? Which one is the calamari?
It's a nice one. It's a big crab. And some calamaris as well.
We are not eating.
Yep. Calamaris. Alright, let's do this.
as you please.
A very nice lunch with a fish, big fish. I don't know what it was. Maybe talipia or I don't know. Sea bass or something. With some crabs, small crabs. Very good, and some lobster pieces of lobster. Very nice. So hopefully I'm gonna go again tomorrow and take a pre-photo or pre-video of the plates that was served. Everybody was so hungry today, so we just digged in and started eating straight away. It was a pretty interesting place as well. Looked a little bit empty when we arrived, so that could be a warning. Go to an empty restaurant is maybe not so good in some location you don't really know.
Never need replacing.
So I have two options here. Option 1, option 2. I'm gonna cut that back to sleep.
You think I wouldn't have noticed? Afraid I never lose focus.
We're rolling, and it's the 14th of May, and we did some shopping for work-related items, and now we're going to see if they have some food. Apparently I'm staying one day extra, so could be good to have some extra for lunch and dinner for tomorrow as well. I think we find a hypermarket. There is, we're gonna shop. Okay, see you later. So, job done, shopping, food. I'm gonna survive for some more days and have some more work to do. So that's awesome. And now we're heading back to base. And the weather is good. It's around 40 degrees, 39 so far, going up to 40 for sure. Clear blue sky. Wonderful day. And it's a Saturday. It's a day off actually, but still we are doing some work. So alright, see you in the office.
Like a hobby, I'm always straight with you. I wonder why you're hiding from the truth, 'cause I can always tell, so I feeling you. I'm always straight with you.
Good coffee. Bought it today. Very nice. It's a mix between some quick coffee and some 3-in-1 small bags. Awesome. Sugar kick. Straight up in the brain. Coffee in the brain. Yeah. Nice. Cheers.